morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today I will see the chapter Geometry. Title is Pythagoras theorem. Statement: in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse. First we see the meaning of hypotenuse. See the right angle triangle. This right angle triangle, the biggest side is hypotenuse. Which is biggest side? BC. Okay, therefore the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square on the other two sides. Okay, in right angle triangle, that is right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two side. Can you understand? Given values in triangle ABC, here angle A is 90 degree, that is A is 90 degree. Next, to prove, here what is the hypotenuse side? BC, therefore BC square, okay, that is BC square is equal to, that is put equal to symbol, sum of the square on the other two sides. Other two side is AB one side and second side is AC, taking square, therefore AB square. Sum means therefore plus, we put plus, and AC square. Therefore hypotenuse square BC square that equal to other two side, first side is AB, second side is AC, AB and AC, therefore AB square plus AC square. Next, construction. Draw AD, that point is D, that is perpendicular to BC. Draw AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Next, prove. Compare triangle, whole triangle ABC and triangle ABD. The small triangle is ABD, that is the triangle ABD. Therefore we have two triangle. First one ABC and the second triangle ABD. Okay, here which one is common angle? ABC and ABD. B is a common angle. Okay, therefore angle B is a common angle. Can you understand? So B is a common angle. Next, angle BAC equal to BDA, that equal to here A and D, that equal to 90 degree. Okay, therefore BAC equal to BDA equal to 90 degree. Okay, by angle similarity, B is a common angle and that equal to 90 degree means that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. Okay, B is a common angle, first condition. Second one, A and D that equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. Can you understand? Similar means we draw two triangle, the corresponding sides are equal. First one, B is a common angle ABC and DBA, that is we draw two triangle, corresponding side AB and DB. This side is corresponding side, therefore AB divided by BD, that equal to second corresponding side, this is BC and BA, therefore BC divided by AB, that is a second corresponding side. Now this one is AB divided by BD equal to corresponding sides are equal. Therefore cross multiplying AB into AB, that equal to AB square equal to BC into BD. Okay, that is equation number 1. Can you understand? AB square equal to BC into BD, that is equation number 1. Next, take whole triangle ABC and the second biggest triangle is ADC, that is a triangle, second one ABC and ADC. Compare triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Here which one is common angle? ABC and ADC. C is a common angle, therefore angle C is a common angle, and also angle BAC equal to angle ADC equal to A and D, that equal to 90 degree. Therefore, BAC, angle BAC and ADC DA are equal to 90 degree. Angle C is common angle. By angle similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC. Okay, similar means the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, we draw two diagram, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Okay, here C is a common angle. C is a common angle. Therefore, first corresponding side BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC, that equal. Second corresponding side AC divided by DC. AC divided by DCD. Okay. Now cross multiplying AC into AC. AC square equal to BC into CD. That is equation number 2. Okay. Can you understand? AC square equal to BC into CD. The first equation AB square equal to BC into BD. Second equation AC square equal to BC into CD. Okay. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get, take LHS first, AB square plus AC square, that is LHS equal to AB square plus AC square. Second one, that is RHS equal to BC into BD, BC into BD plus BC into CD, BC into CD. Okay. Now take the common value of BC. Therefore, BC into remaining BD plus CD. Okay. Next, here BD plus CD, that equal to, we write BC. Therefore, AB square plus AC square, that equal to BC into BC, BD plus DC, that equal to BC. Therefore, AB square plus AC square, that equal to BC into BC, BC square. Okay, that is a proof value. Therefore, we change the equation BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. That is hence proved. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Hence proved. Can you understand? Example 4.20. An insert 8 meter away initially from the foot of the lamp post, which is 6 meter tall. Travel towards it moving through a distance. If its distance from the top of the lamp post is equal to the distance it has moved, how far is the insert away from the foot of the lamp post? That is a question. An insert 8 meter away initially from the foot of the lamp post. That is a lamp post. Okay. Lamp post and insert 8 meter, that is a insert 8 meter away initially from the foot of the lamp post, that equal to BD equal to 8 meter. Okay. Next, that is the height of the lamp post. Height of the lamp post AB equal to 6 meter. Height of the lamp post AB equal to 6 meter. Okay. Next, the height of the lamp post AB equal to 6 meter. AB equal to 6 meter. Distance between insert and the foot of the lamp post BD equal to 8 meter. Okay. After moving a distance of x meter, let the insert at C. The D is a insert. After moving, the C is a insert place. The distance is x. Okay. Here, let the insert at C. Okay. Distance of x meter. This is x meter. Therefore, let AC and CD, AC, that is C place, AC and CD, that equal to x. Then BC equal to BD minus CD. Therefore, BC equal to 8 minus x. Can you understand? BC equal to 8 minus x. In right angle triangle ABC, here B is a right angle triangle. We take small triangle ABC. B is a right angle triangle. B equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle B equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, angle B equal to 90 degree. What is the hypotenuse? AC square. Therefore AC square that equal to AB square plus BC square. Other two side AB and BC. Therefore using Pythagoras theorem, therefore AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now substitute value of AC. What is AC equal to x? Therefore x square equal to AB value is, what is AB value? That is 6. Okay. Therefore 6 square plus BC value is, what is BC value? Therefore BC equal to, we find last value, that is 8 minus x, that is BC. Therefore 8 minus x the whole square. AC x square, 6 square, that equal to 6 into 6, 36. Okay, 36 plus this is a minus b the whole square formula, a square minus 2ab, sorry, minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square, that equal to a square here, that is minus 2ab plus b square, that is 8 square is 64, 2 into 8 into x, that equal to minus 16x plus x square. Interchange the value, x square minus plus x is minus x square. Next minus 16x, interchange, that is 16x equal to 36 plus 64, that equal to 100. Okay, x square is cancel. Therefore 16x equal to 100. X equal to 16 divided by 100. Now cancel fourth table. 4 4s are 16. 25 4s are 100. 25 divided by 4. Now 25 is divided by 4. That equal to 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 1. Next put decimal 0. That equal to 4s are 8. Remainder is 2. Next down 0. Therefore 4 5s are 20. What is the answer? Is quotient equal to x equal to 6.25. Then we find the value of BC, means BC equal to 8 minus x. Now substitute x equal to 6.25. Therefore BC equal to 8 point, we take 8.00 minus 6.25. We get the value of, subtract the value, therefore we get 1.75. Remainder is 9. 9 minus 2, that equal to 7. 8, 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Therefore BC equal to 1.75 meter. Can you understand? Okay. Therefore this is the insect moved from the foot of the lamp post. BC equal to 1.75 meter. Okay. Example 4.21. P and Q are the midpoints of the side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC. P and Q, that is a triangle ABC. C is a right angle triangle. P is a midpoint of AC and Q is a midpoint of BC. That is a question respectively. That is a right angle triangle at C. Okay. Then prove that 4AQ square plus BP square, that equal to 5AB square. Okay. Draw the diagram. Triangle ABC, right angle at C. We take first triangle AQC, right angle triangle at C. Here what is the hypotenuse? That is AQ. Okay, AQ is the hypotenuse. Other two side is QC and AC. By using Pythagoras theorem, AQ square, that equal to QC square plus AC square. QC square plus AC square, that is equation number 1. Okay. First we take right angle triangle AQC, that is equation is AQ square plus QC is equal to QC square plus AC square, that is equation number 1. Second take also triangle BPC. BPC is a right angle triangle at C. By using Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse side is BP, therefore BP square, that equal to other two side is BC. BC square plus CP square, that is equation number 2. Okay. From adding equation 1 and 2, therefore first we add LHS AQ square plus BP square. RHS value is AC square plus QC square plus BC square plus CP square. multiple by 4 on both sides. Therefore 4 into AQ square plus BP square, that equal to 4 AC square plus 4 QC square plus 4 BC square plus 4 CP square. Okay. Now split the value of 4 QC square, that equal to 2 QC the whole square, and 4 CP the whole CP square, that equal to 2 CP the whole square. So now 4 into AQ square plus BP square, that equal to 4 AC square plus 2 into QC. QC means that is Q is midpoint of BC. Therefore BQ plus equal to QC means, therefore write BC square. Okay. BQ plus QC, that equal to BC square plus 4BC square plus 2CP. P is a midpoint of AC. Therefore that is AP equal to CP. Therefore we write CP equal to AC square. 2CP equal to AC square. 4 AC square plus AC square, that equal to 5 AC square plus BC square plus 4 BC square, that equal to 5 BC square. Okay. Therefore next 4 into AQ square plus BP square, that equal to, take common value of 5 into AC square plus 5 BC square. Okay. Therefore 4 into AQ square plus BP square, that equal to, this is AC square plus BC square. Take whole triangle ABC and using Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square equal to hypotenuse AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. Therefore using Pythagoras theorem, hence proved 4AQ square plus BP square, that equal to 5AB square using Pythagoras theorem. That is AB square, that equal to AC square plus BC square. Therefore that equal to 5AB square. AC square plus BC square equal to AB square. Can you understand? Okay. Next example 4.22. What length of ladder is needed to reach a height of 7 feet along the wall when the base of the ladder is 4 feet from the wall? Round off your answer the next 10th place. This is the wall, this is the ladder, AB be the ladder, AC be the wall, BC be the foot of the ground. Let X be the length of the ladder. We find the value of length of ladder. BC equal to 4 feet. Given value BC equal to 4 feet. Now find AC equal to 7 feet. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem, ABC is a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is AB. Therefore AB square equal to other two sides is BC plus AC. Therefore AC square plus BC square. Substitute the value of AB equal to X. Therefore X square equal to AC value is 7 square plus BC value is 4. Therefore 4 square. That equal to X square equal to 7 square, answer is 49. Yes, 49 plus 4 square, answer is 16. Yes. Therefore X square equal to 49 plus 16, that equal to 65. X equal to root of 65. The answer is X equal to 8.1 feet. X is, that is a length of the ladder. AB equal to length of ladder X equal to 8.1 feet. Can you understand? Next example 4.23. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. Okay, this is the starting point. First aeroplane go to north side, speed is 1000 km per hour. At the same time another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at the speed of 1200 km per hour. Second aeroplane west side, speed of 1000 km per hour. Okay, how far apart will be two planes after 1.5 hours. How far apart will be two plane after 1.5 hours? We find the value of AB, distance of AB. Given that time equal to 1.5 hours, we convert to the fraction, therefore 3/2 hours. Okay, we take the time equal to 3/2. Let first we take the first train. Let the first aeroplane OA equal to the distance formula speed into time, therefore speed equal to 1000 into 3/2. So 1 2s are 2, 500 2s are 1000, 500 into 3, that equal to 1500 kilometer. OA equal to 1500 kilometer. Next, let the second aeroplane OB equal to speed into time, speed 1200 into time is 3/2. 1 2s are 2, 600 into 3, that equal to 1800 kilometer. OB equal to 1800 kilometer. Okay, next, the required distance to be found it BA. Find the distance of BA, that is here we find the value. Can you understand? So that is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle AOB, by Pythagoras theorem, here hypotenuse is AB, therefore AB square, that equal to other two side OA square plus OB square. Okay, this OA square value 1500, OB square is 1800. Okay, now take the 100 square of common, therefore 15 square plus 18 square. What is 15 square value? That is 225. 18 square value is 324. Okay, now add the two values. What is answer is? That is 549. Okay, therefore AB square equal to 100 square into 549. We split the value 9 into 61. 100 square value is that equal to 100 square is 10. 9 root of that equal to 3. We cannot take 61 square root, therefore AB equal to 10 into 3, that equal to 100 square, that equal to 100. Therefore 100 into 3, 300 root 61 kilometer. Okay, that is the answer. Can you understand? Okay, thank you. We'll see you next class.